everyone, I'm Rebecca. It's very nice to show this video to you. From the place we can see, these are VM production lines. The turnout is more than 1,000 sets every year. This is also VM production lines. Later, I will show you one of best sales VMC machine. Now, I want to introduce VMC740S. It is with fantastic design, high rigidity and precision, high speed and top performance, which is called as small machining corner. Here I want to show you our frame machine. This is our excellent casting from our own factory, and this is column span about 800 mm to guarantee our machine's rigidity. This is our C3 level ball screw and our P level linear way, and this is our lubrication system. Okay, I have introduced the frame machines. Now I want to show you more details about VM740S. Finite plus system. Spindle speed is 10,000 RPM. ATC to change time is 1.7 seconds. Work table loading is 350 kg. This is our air conditioner. This is spindle oil chiller. This is automatic chip conveyor. Air cylinder to reduce tool change time. The central lubrication system. This is our tool platform.